Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Vorsprung. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 190 PS. The vehicle also comes with a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission which puts power down to all four wheels thanks to Audi's 4-wheel drive quattro system. This example comes finished in the Daytona grey pearl effect. The vehicle features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights and sits on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels which come in a lovely black colour as well as a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some privacy glass on the rear windscreen, and helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the boot lid and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, a large amount of storage space as well as a parcel shelf. For 3 passengers in the rear there's a comfortable 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle, and up front for the driver and front passenger we'll find some more of that comfortable leather upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find an MMI touchscreen infotainment system. This system allows you to access the inbuilt navigation as well as connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This system houses a few other features such as displaying the rear view camera feed. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with an Audi virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Vorsprung. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.